back to my channel and welcome if you're new. This is chaotic.allure here, and I'm back with this video to show you guys how I got this, messy, wavy look, beachy look, I guess, beachy, wavy look. And I only use 2 products for it, and I really like this because summer's coming, and when it's really hot outside, you don't want anything on your back because that's just too much, and you need a cute little bob. That is the one to go to. Yeah, if you guys are interested in finding out how I got this, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media, and I will see you guys, I guess, in the next scene. So yeah, I haven't really styled my hair, and I just wanted to say that I wanted to show you guys how I installed, and bleached the knots on this wig, but my camera was giving me trouble, so I just went and I left it alone because it kept dying, and I wasn't sure why. Like, it wasn't overeating or anything, but the hair I'm wearing is from Curlyme collection, and it's a 14-inch bob, and the lashes I'm wearing are from them. I don't know, they just send it, and inside the box there comes, the wig, which is 14-inch, and a wig cap, skin tone color. But on the package it says Bob Brazilian straight 14-inch wig. Okay, so that's all I have to say about that. So I bleached the knot using VW2 powder and 40 developer. I left it on for about 25 minutes, and it was a little runny, so it kind of seeped through my frontal. It wasn't the wig's fault, it was totally my fault, but I worked it. And I rinsed my hair after bleaching it with this, the last little bit of this it's like a purple shampoo. So I used this, and then while it was drying, I went and I sprayed this olive oil mist, heat defense, whatever it's called, onto it, so that it would actually dry into the hair and kind of protect it a bit. So this is what I ended up doing to it. I haven't done anything. This is literally right after plopping it on. It's dry, air dry, it has little waves in it, so I thought that was cute. But I use this Got To Be glued gel, the yellow one, and I just plopped it on my head, and this is how my edges are looking like. I didn't really do much because I wanted to keep it as simple as possible. And what we're gonna use is this beautiful curling wand. Okay, we're gonna curl this way because I want a fluffy, curly little bob, okay, or wavy, I guess. So I'm using this duvolle curling wand, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and it was down, and this is it, right? And inside of it comes it comes with like those little stop. Everything wanna happen right now. It comes with this little heated glove. I guess not heated, but like you can hold the hot stuff with, what is this called? I don't know what this is called, but it comes with a glove that protects your hands from the heat. And then the curling wand, and this one, which one is this? Which one is this one? Where's the mm in this? What is it? 25 mm. Yeah, this is the 25 mm curl thing, and yeah, so we're gonna use that to curl our hair. And I have a coupon code for you guys for this one. If you guys are interested in purchasing, the link is also gonna be on the description box. All the information of everything that I use will be in the description box, so please check that out. And yeah, I'll probably have some coupon codes for you guys. So yeah, so is this thing on? Okay, I turned it on. It's on, so we're gonna set it aside, and we're going to start thinking about curling this hair. So honestly, this wig I'm wearing is super soft. and it was very easy to like work with, and I like that in a wig. And since it was straight, like I had no problem. And I hope these gloves really work, because if I burn my hands, it's gonna be a problem. If I hold it and I curl it, I don't know. But we're gonna go section by section, and this is not much of a tutorial. It's more so of me showing you guys what I will be doing to get my hair. Oh, this thing is hot already. It's hot already. Okay. Ah, my ear! Jesus. Please be careful. Don't be like me. And I'm gonna hold this for about 30 seconds. Okay, it's a nice little wavy curl. Oh, I want to say that these gloves do protect your hand, but don't go around just holding it thinking you're not going to feel the heat, because you are, okay? You are. The curls are super beautiful. I am obsessed. I am obsessed with the curls. And this is all I'm doing throughout my whole head. I'm not gonna take a lot of time with this. Okay, this wig curls so nicely. I don't even like, you guys see how long I kept it on, right? And look at these curls. They're so fluffy and cute. I actually like this little one, and the hair is cooperating so well with it that this is the perfect combo. This is literally the perfect combo. And I'm not taking like all the sections the same size. I'm doing big sections and small sections because I want this beachy wave, not uniform curls, and I want a perfectly imperfect wavy, you know, bob. This is gonna be my go-to hairstyle for the summer. Like whenever I'm gonna, you know, because the hair is so like low maintenance. Obviously, like it's straight and it's a bob. It's low maintenance and it's not gonna be as hot with it. This is gonna be my go-to summer bob. Like, look at these curls. I didn't even do, oh my god. I am in love, okay? I am in love with this. And imagine if I actually went and I wanted this to be like uniformed and all of that, and took my time to do this, because right now I want a messy bob. And if I wanted to really sit down and, you know, do these curls the right way, could you guys imagine how they would look? Can you guys imagine? If they're curling like this already and I'm not being perfect with it, now imagine if I'm being perfect with it. Let's just imagine. So I went and I finished this little section, and this is what my hair looks like without touching it and whatnot. So what I like to do is I like to spray a little bit of oil, whatever you have, just a little tiny bit, rub it in my hands, and then I start fluffing it. I said starts. I start fluffing it. And guys, this is, oh my god, I love the hair. I love this hair. This is one of the softest hair I've ever owned. And the curls, like, mind you, I'm not even using any type of spray to hold these or to even, and look at it. Oh yes, yes, this is it. This This is literally it. Like this is it. This hair is it. This hair is it. And then after I'm fully done, I like to go with the little comb, you know, the little comb. And look how it's just bouncing, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Should I make it this way or that way? I think I'm gonna do it that way or this way. This way. Okay. Let's do it like this. Oh yes. I don't know how to feel with these curls right now. This is super gorgeous. So what do you guys think? This is like, I like this a lot. I like it a lot. And I keep touching it because I'm trying to loosen the curls, like. But this is the final product. I hope you guys, you know, like it. And if you don't, you know, like how I like it, you can still play around with it and get it to the way you want. But I kind of think I like it like this. Not think, but I think I definitely like it like this. This was super affordable. It is not shedding. It's not shedding. It's not giving me any type of trouble. It's just perfect. The hair is soft. It holds a curl. It's low maintenance. 10 out of 10. Literally. The shipping for this wig was super quick. Yeah, so that is the look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.